Hey, this is AG Born Jamaican. Welcome to my channel. Now, let's go into this video. Here we go. Hey, welcome to Juki's farm. Over here we got soursop. This is a soursop tree. You got your pineapple. This is a Carolina Reaper pepper. Over here you have jackfruit. If you don't know what it is, look it up. This is another Carolina Reaper from last year I saved. Over here, this is mango tree. I plant them from seeds. Got your aloe vera. And these are my champion, avocado. Plant them from seeds. Alright, come on over here now. Got the string beans, which I'm about to reap in a little while. All of them have their string beans on them. Got the scallion. Some more down here. Over here is your red kidney beans. I'm about to show you. You have your squash blooming. About to shoot some squash, I can see. Right there you have your corn, yellow sweet corn. I have some peppers over here. Also, I have sweet watermelon. And I want to show you guys something. This is my cucumber, and this is just the baby. That's a baby. Basil. Over here I have different varieties of hot peppers. I have Carolina Reaper, Carolina Chocolate. I have Trinidadian Scorpion Pepper. I have Jamaican Scotchman Pepper. I have a few tomatoes back there, kale. Look at it. That comes from my boy Melvin. Peppers, all different varieties. Back there I have eggplant. Over here I have sweet potatoes. These are all pepper plants. And I'm not done with the peppers yet. I have tomatoes, all different varieties of tomatoes. Everybody thought they was gonna die. They came back. Over here I have mint. My mint tree. This is Italian curly parsley. I have thyme. My cherry trees. Plum over there, the red one. This is the plum tree. I have pomegranate. lost my muscadine grape tree I planted last year. This is regular green grapes. Here, I planted it this year. This is my blackberry tree. Look at it, look at it. This was planted last year. Little baby. I used twist ties to control. And here, in this pot, I have some sweet watermelon. I have to transplant them. This is the end of my tour of my. This is a little something. Next year, it'll be bigger and better. Love these flowers, but I'm gonna get rid of it. It's taking up too much room for my garden. This right here was sold grass, so Isha made her little garden, flower garden, different varieties of flowers. They'll come back every year. This is by the steps. Also, I made some hanging pots out of these. I like these because the birds, sometimes they, like last year, they came a mess, so I left them alone. Okay, folks. Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out PrincessAG TV, also Life with King and Shay, and I want you to go and check out my man, the Smoken'Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.